Another common question that we'll get about the installation, we've gotten feedback that sometimes the struts are coming loose while driving and they'll have to stop and tighten the struts back up. This is due to one of two things. The first is that on the struts there's a jam nut. So even though you've gone and tensioned the struts, you've pushed and put tension on that strut bar to make it tight, if you don't jam nut that strut and lock it in place, it can come loose just a little bit while driving. It's a step that people forget. You got to put 2 wrenches on it and lock that jam nut. The second, on the frame bracket side of the strut mount, we have a spacer that belongs there. And what this does is takes up the gap that's allowing the rod end on the strut to potentially float back and forth. So we offer this spacer to take up the gap, and essentially I can show you here. With the rod end on there, you have some room for that rod end to slide back and forth. So this spacer takes that gap up on the frame bracket side of the strut mount. Whether you have the spacer on the right side or the left side of the rod end will be dependent on your particular setup, location of the frame brackets, angle of the frame, and those types of things. But this will absolutely prevent any further loosening of those struts while driving. We did start offering this several months ago, so if some of our first customers didn't receive the spacer, please reach out, contact us. We'll send them free of charge.